Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error payment method decline while you are going to download app from App Store, or while you are going to purchase the app from App Store. So guys, once you have entered your password and tap on continue and you're facing the error like this, then it means your debit or credit card expiry date is over, or you don't give the permission from your bank for international payment. If this isn't the case and you're facing the error like this, open settings. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it on, tap on your Apple ID. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to sign out the Apple ID and then sign in your Apple ID again, and then check if it's working or not. Then open settings again, scroll it on, tap on general, tap on software update, and make sure that you don't have any pending software update here. If you have, just simply have to update it. Now open settings again, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on general, and also make sure that you are not connected to a VPN. Okay guys, now you can also reset all setting and check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, open settings again. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to language and region option. From here you have to select the region in which your debit or credit card is made. Once you have done this guys, after that you have to open settings again, tap on your Apple ID. From here you have to go to media and purchases, tap on view account. Now wait some second guys, first time it's asking you to put your password. I have already given my password, that's why I can see this type of interview. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to go to manage payment and recheck that your debit or credit card expiry date is not over. Okay guys, from here you have to also check that your billing name is correct. Now go back, and after that tap on country origin. Once you have done this, wait some seconds, it's asking you to change your country origin. If you want to change it, tap on change. Here are the countries, so you have to select the same country in which your debit or credit card is made. Now after selecting a country, wait some seconds, so you have to read the terms and conditions. If you are agree, tap on agree again, tap on agree, and wait some seconds. From here you can put the required information, tap on next, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.